What do you think of your new car?
It's pretty sick. Okay, so right now we are in Amish country. I guess we're near Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And we're on our way to go check out a Nova, 65 Nova, 4-door, with some patina. I don't know, saw it on Marketplace, thought it looked pretty cool, and come to find out Novas are pretty easy to put together, so we're gonna see what this thing has in store for us. So I got a 6.0 from like a Gen 4 6.0 from a Savannah or whatever Savannah van, and then I have a TR6060 out of like a 2010 Camaro, and I wanted to put it in an S10, which I'm still want to do, but if this thing's as solid as it is, and it looks like it's pretty easy and it's cool patina, which the S10 doesn't have, might just do that instead. So we're gonna find out. That's pretty cool. Damn. That's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. Look at the rocks. Is this the Susquehanna or whatever? No idea. That's really high over there. Down high. I know. That's crazy. Dude, the water's like right there. It's like almost above the road. I don't think I've ever driven on, well, I guess I've driven on a dam, but not like this. There's like nothing. Maybe they're like controlling the water well, the first waters. Dude, that's crazy.
I haven't touched it since I bought it, so, you know. But, I mean, it's a pretty decent car. I mean, I'm not trying to say it, you know, it is what it isn't, but it's pretty decent. I mean, the motor turns out good, it sounds good. It has no spark at all. That was the extent I got to it. I bought a brand new set of points for it. They're in the glove box. Okay. I'm sure it probably needs points or a coil. I'm not sure which. 250?
Probably.
Yeah, it should be either 235 or 250.
Yeah, it might be smaller because of the.
Yeah, 235. It's probably a 250. Yeah, especially being a 65. Because I don't think you might not be able to get anything out of that. The biggest problem with it is wherever. Let me go grab the key. And you can see from the trunk that the trunk filled with water and rusted it out, and it snapped this release spring and took the back of the frame rail with it. Oh, really? I got that frame rail out, and I got a leaf spring to put in it. But other than that, you know, I never got, I mean, like I said, I never got around to messing with it. So, like, the leaf spring, either someone cut because of it breaking or it snapped right at the axle. So I got another leaf spring that's right for it, and I got a rear frame rail to put in it because the frame rail's out here screwed up. Now, this side and everything else is okay. It's this side because it must have been, you know, sitting on an angle, I guess. I have no idea.
Yeah, it's a little rotted on the bottom of this frame rail too, though.
So, but it's crazy. I mean, because the force stuff all look pretty decent. I mean, that's the only thing I guess is that the trunk is filled with water, which you don't see like a water line, you know, in it.
Where'd you get this car from?
This car came from Kansas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I actually went to Kansas for it. Yeah.
He's got this Nova too. I like this one a lot. Wagon. A little rough, but Pennsylvania cars are always rough, it seems like.
And I have a new seal. It was laying in this. Well, I think I took it out. I think it's in my trailer. But I have a brand new rubber seal for the plan on, like I said, cut the windshield out of this and put it in that.
What year is this one?
This is a 64.
64. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. This is cool too.
So wagons and sedans, windshields are the same. Hard tops are different.
Oh, are
Hard
they?
tops, yeah, so hard tops and convertibles are the same, but wagons and sedans
Oh,
are the same.
well, that's good to know.
Yeah, and I only knew that because of all the, and I messed up a couple of times
Learned the hard
buying
way.
stuff that people, yeah, that, you know, oh man, I got a good deal on this, and got home and it's different.
Okay.
Which is weird because, you know, it's amazing that back then that they went through all that trouble to change.
Change those.
Yeah, to
Like,
change the pitch, and that's all it is.
Everything's the
It's
same.
it's slightly different pitch.
Like Ford, they have like
So-
different stuff everywhere.
Yeah. Usually they ran a body line, and it's like, okay, we're stamping everything exactly the same.
Yep.
It's just weird.
They have a roof rack on it? Roof rack?
It did, yeah.
That's cool.
I mean, it's a shame because I like roof racks.
Yeah, that'd be
but-
cool to have it on there.
But and the other one that I got has a roof rack, but I have no idea what the hell it is. It's not. I mean, it's not a correct roof rack. Yeah.
Top.
So when the windows all go down, it's wide open.
That's cool. I'm gonna film that. That's pretty sweet. I see these on. I've seen them online and stuff, but I never seen them.
Yeah. I never actually had one. I saw one. We go to cruise in Ocean City every year.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. So I saw one years ago down there. Was a silver one, and it was bagged.
You're like, I gotta get that.
And I was always like, man, if I ever find one of them, I thought that was the coolest thing in the world with the rear window that goes down. You know.
Yeah,
And I
that
was
looks
like, man,
really
if
cool.
I ever find
Look
one,
at this trunk. You could like land a helicopter on
oh
it.
my gosh,
That's so cool. Very cool. Wow. That's awesome.
came across this one. I was like, all right, I got it.
No, I didn't.
What do you think?
Got it.
What do you think of your new car?
It's pretty sick. Supposedly, we learned that it's originally from Kansas, not Pennsylvania. The guy went all the way to Kansas and bought it. So it's pretty solid for the most part. There's a couple areas, like in the trunk and then the fenders and the rockers and stuff. But for the most part, for what we're doing, it's perfect.
Yeah. So we wanted to just, I don't know, a lot of these Novas and stuff, obviously a two-door would be more valuable, but we just wanted to show that it doesn't take a lot of money to make a cool car, you know? I mean, this thing's pretty good shape.
Cool patina, like the sun on the roof.
Yeah, it's got a really awesome patina, and
All the trims there. So, like, you guys don't have to find, a Camaro, a Mustang. It could be just something cool like this that you think's cool.
Yeah.
We think it's cool.
yeah,
Just make a cool little fun car.
yeah. So we're gonna do a lot of cool things, but more budget-friendly kind of build, and we'll try to obviously get it running and maybe cruise it around until we're ready to tear it all apart. So nice. Yeah. I don't even know what it is.
Yeah.
Look at
Well, here she is. Heater cord delete.
that. Oh, yeah.
He said it has no spark. I mean, he's definitely messed with it. It's got new spark plugs and stuff in it.
No fuel either.
Yeah, zero fuel. No brakes. Park and brake works excellently.
That's cool because, like, if you're
Usually they don't work at all.
yeah, if you're gonna keep that rear end like for a second, then
Yeah.
it'll work.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, pretty excited.
So,
All the trims on it.
yeah, that's it. Interior is like really nice. It's complete. No ripped apart.
Yeah, and we got the windshield. The windshield is shattered. We got a windshield.
Yeah, he
I
gave
had
us a
another car.
windshield. And it was cracked. I love the radio and like.
I had the chrome with everything.
Yeah,
So
it looks really cool. Is there anything in there?
I don't know. We never opened it.
There's a lock. We like open it.
$1,000.
Yeah, we like oh, and then it's like next episode. Nothing.
Oh, there's a point.
Oh, perfect. All right, well we need that. Boom.
That's cool.
It's a little lean because there's no leaf spring in the
Yeah,
rear.
it's a little spot. That's where it needs to be at.
Yeah, it's kind of slammed on the front or on the back because there's no leaf spring, but it needs some work for sure. But it would be really cool when it's done. Yeah, I like it. So
Yeah, I
all
don't
the
know.
trim.
We were looking at this, and it's almost like somebody tried to spray paint it or something with a lighter color. So we're gonna see if we can clean that up and I don't know.
This is the engine for it.
Yeah. 6-liter Gen 4.
Yep, it's got the 823 heads, so it's like the LS3 style heads, and it's really
Yeah.
cool engine. So
Rectangle port.
yep.
I guess I need that power steering. Well, actually, I'll probably go with a different pump setup.
Yeah.
Or I might just go manual, but yeah,
could-
got this from my my dad's company he works for. So it's been like it was like a fleet truck, so it's been maintained and whatnot. It ran. It's just the trans. Something was wrong with the computer in the trans or something. It wouldn't do anything.
Yeah, those transmissions, I feel like a trans is probably okay. It's probably just something electrical,
yeah.
so I feel like it's a good, at least a good core for the trans. And then, like the frame on this thing was like brand new. It was like
Yeah.
2010 or something.
Yeah, it's 20, so I have a 2010 engine. It's 6-liter 2010. I got a 2010 Camaro trans.
Yeah, that's
going
pretty
in
cool.
1965.
Yeah.
And there's my Beetle.
Yep. And then you'll probably see that later too. But see the patina on the Beetle.
Blue on blue.
It matches the blue patina.
It's a little dirty because
Yeah.
stuff. But
Matches the blue patina on the Nova. So pretty sweet. And it's both like the cars, like you have like a Super Beetle and a 4-door. So
yeah,
it's kind of
like nobody likes Super Beetle. I don't know if you guys like big into Volkswagen and stuff, but Super Beetles are kind of like the ugly stepchild. Like nobody really cares about them.
yeah. And then you
like,
have
4-doors like the same thing.
yeah.
And
So
that's
it's,
kind of what I'm into. I'm into stupid, weird stuff that people don't like.
yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. So, and it matches it so perfectly
Yeah.
too. So
Yeah. Where's the Jettos?
yeah, no. Boom. And the Jetta. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be cool. So we're gonna try to get this thing running probably in the next video and see what needs, probably points, and probably run. And then I would say we fix that leaf spring in the back and freaking drive this thing. It'd be so cool, dude. It probably would drive great. I love these little 6-cylinder Chevys.
Float down the road.
Yeah, I know. It's probably gonna be awesome. Maybe we could just like heat the springs up or
Yeah, it's the
something.
same thing like a C10. Is just heat the springs up and then just. Boop.
Yeah, just let it stance and just drive it around until we want to swap it. So, yeah, gonna be awesome.